Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Today we're going to do a quick proof that the derivative of the exponential function equals just the exponential function. You've probably seen this before. Maybe you've wondered why that's the case. I've seen a lot of funny memes about it because it just stays the same. D over dx of e to the x is just e to the x. So we're going to go through why that is, because in math, there's always reasons behind these random little things we see. All right, so this proof is going to rely on something. I'm going to say recall. This proof is going to rely on the fact that the derivative of 1 of a function f of x equals 1 over f of x times the derivative of f of x. Okay, we're going to call this 1 or something. And this is for f of x not equal to 0. And the reason for that is we have 1 over f of x. You can't divide by 0. I have a proof of why that is as well. Math just builds and builds and builds. If you're wondering why the derivative of ln of x, or ln of f of x, is 1 over f of x, derivative of f of x, I can make a proof about that too if you don't believe me. But our proof for exponentials will rely on this. Okay, a couple other things we should remember. We're going to use a couple different facts. We're going to first use that. Also recall that ln of e to the x is just x. Okay, and that's because ln and e, they are inverses. And so you're left with the remaining x. So ln of e to the x is just x. So therefore, my three little dots, let's take the derivative of both sides. d over dx of ln e to the x equals d over dx of x. Therefore, what's the derivative of ln e to the x? That is going to be 1 over e to the x d over dx of e to the x, right? Equals, what's the derivative of just x? 1. Okay, how did I get that? I'm going to say using 1 where f of x equals ln e to the x. Makes sense? I hope so. Right? Because we know using 1, we know the derivative of ln of a function. F of x equals e to the x. Yeah, we know ln of a function is 1 over that function times the derivative of that function. Here, that function happens to be e to the power of x, so 1 over e to the x, derivative of e to the x, and derivative of just a variable x is 1. All right. So, I like to say so. I don't know why. Not very good English, but whatever. So 1 over e to the x, d over d to the dx, e to the x equals 1, right? Therefore, well, we can multiply both sides by e to the x to cancel. We're just going to be left with derivative of e to the x equals e to the x. You write in brackets multiplying both sides by e to the x. And that's our proof. This is the result we wanted. Anyways, short little proof. It relies on the derivative of ln of a function. I can prove that result for you if you want as well. But either way, hope this helps, and thanks for watching.